Hello my dear student. In this video, I'll solve some question based on the topic vector, and subtopic is dot product or scalar product, and cross product and vector product. So already you know what is dot product and what is cross product. Already you know that is alpha dot beta. This is called dot product between alpha and beta. That is scalar product also. Alpha cross beta is called vector product from alpha to beta. Okay, so we want to use this concept to solve some problem. Now, okay, so find the value of p for which the vectors 2i plus 3j plus 9k and I minus 2pj plus 3k are parallel to each other. Okay, so it's a very interesting part. Suppose already know if alpha and beta two vector, correct? Alpha and beta two vector. If you want to prove that these two are parallel, then you need to prove that is alpha is equals to some constant of beta. If you can prove it, then you can say these two vector alpha and beta are parallel to each other. Now we are going to use the same concept. Okay, now try to understand solution. What are the given vector you have? Please write down. Let alpha vector is equals to 3i plus 2j plus 9k. Okay, and beta vector is equals to I minus 2pj plus 3k. Okay, we want to find the value of p such that these two vectors are parallel. Since you write down, since alpha vector and beta vector are parallel to each other, correct? Parallel to each other. So automatically you can write like alpha vector is equals to some constant lambda. Okay, beta vector, is it clear? So from here you may write 3i plus 2j plus 9k is equals to lambda I minus 2pj plus 3k. Clear? Okay, clear? Now we want to compare. Now, is it okay? So from here you may write lambda I minus 2p lambda j plus 3 lambda k. Okay, so if I can compare comparator wise, that is 3 is equals to lambda, 2 is equals to minus 2p lambda, and here 9 is equals to 3 lambda. Clear? Basically we are comparing coefficient, because if these two vectors same, the I coefficient should be equal. So from here it is correct. So from here it is coming, that is lambda is equals to 3. Clear? Your lambda is equals to 3 from both are coming. Okay, we need to calculate the value of p. Okay, so therefore you may write, therefore 2 is equals to minus 2p lambda. What is lambda? Lambda is equals to 6 here. So what is p? P is equals to 2 by minus 2 lambda. 2 cancel, ultimately it is coming minus 2 into 3. Lambda is equals to 3. So it is coming minus 1 by, clear? So therefore you write down the required value of p is minus 1 by 3. Clear? So if both are parallel, that it should be alpha is equals to lambda beta, na? Clear? Okay. Okay. It's very easy. Now we are going to solve another easy question. Okay, so here I have considered another question. Find the value of p for which the vector 2i plus j plus 2k and I plus j plus just a minute. Please write down I plus j plus pk are perpendicular to each other. Okay, so already you know, if alpha and beta perpendicular to each other, that means their alpha dot beta should be equal to 0. Okay, so if alpha is equals to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, beta is equals to b1i plus b2j b3k, if both are perpendicular to each other, then you may write a1 b1 plus a2 b2 a3 b3 is equals to 0. Okay, so these are the basic concept. Clear? Is it clear? So if alpha and beta both are perpendicular, then their dot product must be equal to 0. And if I can consider alpha is equals to a1 a1i a2j plus a3k and beta is equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k, then a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 should be equal to 0. Okay, now try to understand the solution. Okay, so let alpha vector is equals to 2i plus j plus 2k and beta vector is equals to I plus j plus pk. Okay, clear? Since alpha vector and beta vector are perpendicular to each other, so a1 b1 a2 b2 a3 b3 should be equal to 0 formula wise. Okay, formula wise a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. What is a1? I coefficient. What is a2? j coefficient of alpha. What is a3? Kth coefficient of alpha. What is b1? ith coefficient of beta. What is b2? jth coefficient of beta. What is b3? kth coefficient of beta. Clear? So now in this problem, what is a1? A1 is equals to 2. What is a2? What is a2? 1. What is a3? 2. Same way we can write. Clear? It's very easy. a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 is equals to 0. Clear? So now we can move to the next slide. So please write down. So we want to find the, first we need to find the value of a1 b1 a2 b2 a3 b3. So what is the given vector? 2i plus j plus 2k, correct? First vector. So what is your a1? A1 is equals to 1. What is 2? What is your a2? A2 is equals to 1. What is your a3? A3 is equals to 2. Clear? First vector. What is your second vector? I plus j plus pk. So what is your b1? B1 is equals to 1, that is I coefficient. What is your b2? B2 is equals to 1. What is your b3? B3 is equals to p. Now we substitute all. So from here a1 b1, that is a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 1. What is your a2? A2 is equals to 1, b2 is equals to 1. What is a3? A3 is equals to 2, b3 is equals to p is equals to 0. Clear? So our main task to identify what is the value of a1 b1 a2 b2 a3 b3. So from here it is coming 2 into 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus 2p is equals to 0. So ultimately 2p is equals to minus 3 and p is equals to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so please write down the required value of p is minus 3 by 2. Clear? Is it okay? Okay, very good. Thank you.